Hey guys, I'm Makis.
Hello all, and I'm Zisis.
Welcome to another episode of Ultra Snow iPhone Unlock YouTube show. Today we are going to see how much does it cost to unlock an iPhone. And before we start, let me be crystal clear about two things. There are no free iPhone unlock services. The only way to unlock your iPhone for free is through the mobile network. Zisis will tell you more when the time comes. And of course, there are no free IMEI checkers. Maybe there are some, I will tell you more in a while, but in general, no, there aren't any. So subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos like this, and of course hit the like button in the end if you enjoyed this video, and let's start.
Before learning the cost of unlocking your iPhone, you need to know the answers to the right questions. The first one is, as many people are asking us, what do you mean by saying my iPhone is locked? There are several ways an iPhone can get locked, which I'll explain later. The next one, do you know how to unlock an iPhone, which includes mostly the methods. And then if you are 100% sure that your iPhone can get unlocked, because some cases cannot be fixed. So yeah, let's go to the next one, the next slide. As I said, there are three kinds of locks. It is the SIM lock, it is a blacklist lock, let's say like that, and then it is the iCloud lock.
Yes.
And of course, your iPhone can have a combination of those with a worst case scenario, all the three categories.
So this will change the cost, okay, way up.
Yeah.
But anyway, your first expense should be an IMEI check. It's really important because an IMEI check report will determine the SIM lock status, which mobile network is locking your iPhone, the blacklist status, the iCloud lock status, contract status, warranty status, replacement status. We already did a video on IMEI check. We already talked about IMEI checking. It's really important. Okay, it will cost you around $10 to $20 depending on the IMEI check provider you will choose. We will give you two different ones, the description sector. You can use either of them. But as I said in the beginning, there are no free IMEI checkers. Anything you see is a scam. There are a few except, you know, okay. There are some, yes, that's it. There are a few government sites, for example, Device Check Canada, and it only checks the blacklist status for as long as you are based in Canada. You can use it from another place in the world. I believe there is also something like that in Australia. But anyway, yeah. I'm talking about government sites, and they only show you the blacklist status. So there are no free IMEI checkers, and that's a fact. If you use any of them, you will have raw info, and you will fail to unlock your iPhone in the process because you won't know how to do it, and if it's locked to begin with. Yeah. So yes, $10 to $20 is your first expense, and I believe it's the most important of all. But let's go ahead.
Yeah, let's now focus on the SIM locked iPhones and how to unlock them. The first method is, as you already said, through the mobile network. Most of the times it is a free method, but some mobile carriers will charge you a very small fee. But first you need to know all the unlocking policy of that mobile network, which are already complicated, and your iPhone should be eligible under those unlock policies.
We already did a video on that. You can see it above. You will see many videos pop up above us. So click to any of them if you see it fit. Let's continue.
The next one, as you already said, we already created a video about that. It is the hardware unlocking method. You need to use a SIM interposer. It's like a SIM card. You need to put it inside the SIM tray. You will learn everything from the video above. It depends on the iPhone model, on the iOS version, most of the times on the network that is locking your iPhone, and the cost is very cheap. It's around $5 to $30. It is not a guaranteed solution. It has a few problems, but it is a good way and a cheap way to unlock your iPhone. And I think this service was, it's already about 10 years online. Everyone is using it. The factory unlock service, again, go to the video above with all the details. The price depends on the iPhone model and the network that is locking your iPhone. It can vary from $20 and it can go up to $250, which is very, very expensive. But the results are permanent, but yeah, they are expensive.
And of course, they are guaranteed solution because your iPhone will get either unlocked or you will get all your money back.
Yeah.
So another problem is the blacklisted iPhones. A blacklisted iPhone won't work inside the country it was blacklisted, but it will work to other countries. Anyway, you have two choices here. The first one, look at the video above me again, is the IMEI blacklist removal. But be careful, this service will remove the blacklist status from your iPhone, but your iPhone will remain locked to the carrier that is locking it, as long as it is SIM locked, okay? And IMEI check will show you that, if it's only SIM locked or it's SIM locked and blacklisted, you know, everything. So these services have various prices. It starts from $70 and it can go up to $170. Again, it depends on the iPhone model and the mobile network. Not all mobile networks are supported, so you should be really careful when you're choosing a service like this. The other road, the other path is the premium factory unlock. As this is explained, we are talking again about factory unlock, but it's specialized on blacklisted iPhones. In this case, the blacklist status will remain on the iPhone, which means that, okay, you will have an unlocked iPhone, but you won't be able to use it inside the country it got blacklisted. So this might be an issue if you live in that country, or it might be not because you don't live in that country. Again, the price varies between $30 and $250, and this price is determined by the iPhone model and the network that blacklisted your iPhone. Again, like Zisi said, and the video that popped up before, we have the SIM interposer, the iPhone hardware unlock method. It's the same. It has iPhone model, iOS version, and locking carrier requirements.
Sometimes.
Yes. You should be careful which SIM interposer you are buying. And again, it's not a guaranteed solution, and it has a few serious after effects. But anyway, we believe we found one that works fine. And let's go to the last part, maybe the most difficult of all.
Yeah, the last, and the hardest one, and then the most annoying one. It's the iCloud lock. Currently, you are only able to remove the iCloud lock from an iPhone either through Apple support, through the iCloud department, or through the original owner of that iPhone. The results are not guaranteed because you really rely on Apple or the original owner. But let's say the price varies between $5 to $250, which I will explain more in the next slide. The first one is an ebook. We'll add a description in the description and link so you can purchase it, which will explain you, it's do-it-yourself basically iCloud unlock, ways to contact Apple, the original owner, and all those things. Then it is the manual iCloud unlock request, which you are basically asking an iPhone unlock provider to do the whole process for you. Then you can, there is a service that you can find the phone number of the original owner so you can start negotiating with him. The price is $100 there. And then we have the iCloud IMEI unlock services, which, we already have a video that it will pop up again. They are not very stable, so you need to be extra careful when buying those services because the price is very high. You will get your money back if they fail, but okay. Yeah, it's a very difficult topic and lock, the iCloud lock.
And most of the times we are talking about stolen iPhones, also did a video on that. Anyway, so how much does it cost to unlock an iPhone in reality? To me, it costs $10 to $20, as I said. This is the price you have to pay to determine how your iPhone is locked and if you are able to unlock it. Because if an IMEI check shows that you can unlock your iPhone, there is no point in searching for services. And this is the greatest thing. about IMEI checking. And if I did the right math, okay, it will cost you from around $30 to $280 to fully unlock an iPhone, if it has all the problems you saw, or maybe more. But anyway, hit the like button, as I said, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. Here we are showing real iPhone unlock solutions, and you don't get the video, so we unlock everything, you know, because most of them are like this. Check the description below. We will have posts. We will have links to the best iPhone unlock providers we know to help you unlock your iPhone. You can visit our blog. If you read one of our posts, you will do so. You can also find us on Facebook. Ask us anything there. We will help you as much as we can. Every Wednesday, a different Ultra Snow iPhone Unlock YouTube show will be published. So, until next Wednesday, I was Makis.
And I was Isis.
Take care, iPhone Unlockers.
Goodbye, all.